Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eunice and today we are going to make a one pan meal. Yes, you heard it right. One pan meal. So guys, before we start, please if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Hit the red button so that you'll be notified when I upload a new video. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much and God bless you. The ingredients that I'll be using today are spaghetti, we have spinach, tomatoes, we have chopped carrots, we have green pepper, and we have onions and grated carrots. So let's start, guys. On my pan, I will add first the spaghetti, the tomatoes, the carrots, the onions, green pepper, grated carrots, my spinach, I'll add some salt, some garlic powder, a little bit of ginger powder, some cumin, just a bit of it, then I will add some vegetable oil, just a bit, not too much. A glass of water. So now I will cover this pan and let these ingredients cook in moderate heat until they are ready. We'll come and check and mix them together. So let's cover. So you can see our meal is going on so well. So we mix them. And they look so colorful. Just look at it. You can prepare this dish for dinner or lunch. And I know you will like it. So we will let it cook for some few minutes. Then we will come and check if they're ready. And we serve. Yeah. And now our spaghetti is ready, as you can see. Do you like it? This is a very easy and quick recipe to do. You can prepare this recipe in 25 minutes or less. So as you can see, it's ready and I'm so glad. So we will serve. This is how it looks. Amazing. Amazing. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video until this point. I am so glad to have you in my channel. For returning subscribers, thank you so much. Please subscribe for those who have not subscribed. If you want to support this channel, please support this channel. I will leave a link on my PayPal account on the description box, and also my Mpesa account. If you feel like you want to support this channel, please go ahead and God will bless you. Please share this video with your friends, with your family. And as I always say, this channel is all about simple recipes that we can do with our teenage boys and girls. So guys, until next time, I say bye-bye.